Hello, my name is Kev from DataSites, and in this short video we're going to show you how to install, well no, we're not going to show you how to install the Excel add-in because you can do that from this page here. And then when you have it installed, we're going to show you basically how you can upload multiple products at the same time to your DIA, or multiple DIAs if you want, but usually just one DIA. So after going to the add-in and logging in with your login to the platform, if you have multiple DIAs, you will have them listed here. And quite simply at this stage, we are only allowing updating of multiple products at one time, but if there's another part of DIA that you want to update from Excel, just let us know and we're happy to add that. So quite simply, there's two options. We can click on Add Data, and this will bring down the product template. You can then fill out whatever you want to do and then click Upload. I'm not going to do it now because I don't want to push any data in, but trust me, we've got lots of clients that use it and it works wonderfully well. So whether it's pricing or particular attributes or the brands or the categories or whatever it is. And then the other part that I'm just going to highlight is that we've built in a way to search by SKU. So if your SKUs start by MLF and the full numbers are 1000 or whatever, this will do a search for all products containing those letters. So if you search that and say you've got 10 products that start with MLF or contain the letters MLF, that will then populate these 10 rows. You can then make amendments and then hit upload again and off you go. So short but sweet. Trust me, it works, and I hope it saves you a lot of operational time. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.